Hey, taco enthusiasts! Welcome back to ImageNiche Videos. I'm Tamna, and today, we're diving deep into the world of tacos, uncovering some unknown facts that will make you see this iconic dish in a whole new light. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a delicious episode. Let's talk about it. Our journey begins with the origin of tacos. While we often associate tacos with Mexican cuisine, did you know that the word taco actually predates the arrival of the Spanish in Mexico? The term was used to describe the small charges Mexican silver miners would place explosives in during the 18th century. Fast forward to today, and tacos have exploded into a culinary phenomenon. Evolution of the taco shell. Now, let's talk about the taco shell. While the crispy corn tortilla and the soft flour tortilla are the most common, did you know that the first tacos were served on sheets of paper? It wasn't until the 20th century that the tortilla became the star of the show. Today, you'll find tacos served in everything from jicama shells to cheese crisps. The possibilities are endless. Taco Tuesday history. Raise your hand if you've celebrated Taco Tuesday. This weekly tradition has become a beloved part of Mexican culture. But here's the scoop. Taco Tuesday was trademarked by Taco John's, a fast food chain, in 1989. They even sent cease and desist letters to other restaurants using the term. However, the trademark was later canceled in 2018, and now Taco Tuesday is a nationwide fiesta. Global tacos. Tacos aren't just a Mexican favorite, they've taken over the world. In Sweden, they have Taco Fridays, and in Japan, you can find sushi tacos. The global love for tacos has led to creative fusion dishes that bring together flavors from different corners of the world. It's a delicious testament to the versatility of this iconic dish. And now, it's time for some quickfire taco trivia. Did you know that the world's largest taco weighed over 4,500 pounds? Or that the record for the most tacos made in 1 minute is 13? It's mind-boggling how tacos continue to break records and bring people together. Secret ingredient revealed. Now, let's uncover the secret ingredient that gives many traditional tacos an extra kick. Chapulines. Ever heard of them? Chapulines are roasted grasshoppers, and they've been a protein-packed addition to tacos in certain regions of Mexico for centuries. Tacos' astronomical impact. Did you know that in 1962, astronaut John Glenn became the first Mexican to eat in space? His meal of choice? A specially packaged, gelatin-coated beef taco. Talk about taking tacos to new heights. Literally. Taco Bell's origin story. Let's talk Taco Bell. It wasn't until 1962 that the founder, Glenn Bell, opened the first Taco Bell, forever changing the fast food landscape with its Tex-Mex delights. Now, we can express our love for tacos in the universal language of emojis. Tacos on the big screen. Tacos have even made their mark on Hollywood. In the movie, Pulp Fiction, Uma Thurman famously orders a $5 shake and a twist contest. However, did you catch the deleted scene where she also orders a soft taco? Looks like tacos have a starring role in Quentin Tarantino's universe too. Taco taxonomy. Ever wondered about the different types of tacos? There's a whole taxonomy. From street tacos to puffy tacos and even dessert tacos, the taco family tree is vast and diverse. Each type brings its own unique flavor and flair to the table. Tacos aren't just a feast for the taste buds. They're a feast for the eyes too. There's an emerging trend of taco artistry, where chefs turn the creation of tacos into a visual masterpiece. From intricate designs with sauces to carefully arranged toppings, these tacos are almost too beautiful to eat. The Taco Symphony. Did you know there's a genre of music dedicated to tacos? It's called tacochella. This musical movement celebrates the joy of tacos through lively tunes and catchy lyrics. So, the next time you're chowing down on your favorite taco, consider adding a taco-themed soundtrack to enhance the experience. Taco traditions. Tacos aren't just a meal, they're a cultural tradition. In some Mexican families, there's a tradition called tamalada, where family and friends gather to make tamales and tacos together. It's a time of bonding, storytelling, and of course, delicious food. The Taco Time Capsule. In 2007, a time capsule was buried in Texas, and it's set to be opened in 2027. What makes this capsule unique? It contains a 25-year-old crispy taco from Taco Bell. It's a quirky way to preserve a piece of culinary history for future generations to discover. And there you have it, a handful of even more surprising facts about tacos that add extra layers of awesomeness to this iconic dish. I hope you enjoyed these taco revelations. Share your own taco stories in the comments, and let's keep the taco conversation going. Until next time, keep exploring and savoring the wonderful world of tacos. See you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.